Mathaini ma miaraho ya tariki 14 mweri wa 11 mwaka-ini uyu na maabitha borithi ya DCI ruhonge rwa kuhurana ndawa cia kurebia mahana gaturu hindi ya mahada makigeria gutheraria mubango wa gikundi kia ikina ya wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia thutha wa kumarira mutego na kumahithukia mari barabara-ini. Mubango wa ikina ya kuruga mitego ya borithi barabara-ini ona kuri guo ni iraringira ihiga thutha wa gikundi kia mwanya kia maabitha DCI ya kuhurana na wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia kumaikia ngono mari barabara-ini ya Moyale guthii Nairobi na muno makiria kuhithukia bangi ino na iria irahithitwo mabarabara-ini ma rori ici.
The criminals who have been undertaking this illegal activity have been using various models of concealment which range from use of water bowsers, fuel tankers, stuffing of drugs in fuel tankers, dashboards, spare wheels, and most recently creating additional compartments in lorries and other vehicles where the drugs have found to be stashed.
Mutumia uyu uria wirikanite gukorwo ari mwene ngari icio nake ndanahonoka mutego uyu wa maabitha DCI kuria aikitio ngono hamwe na ndereba na makanga ana ngari ici riu metireirio gukinyio igoti-ini kuhingurirwo thitango.
The Isiolo-Moyale route has however become a major transportation route, but our hawk-eyed agencies have put in place stringent measures that have led to interception of bangi worth millions of shillings in the last 1 month.
Kuringana na gikundi kia mwanya kia maabitha DCI gia kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia mahithukitie bangi ino kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa kuhithukia ngi ya kiro 166 na iria yari ya muigana wa ciringi mirioni 5 mbeca iria makuruhanitie na gukorwo ikihuthika kurugamirira ciiko cia wikinaĩ bururi-ini.
Investigations have revealed that the proceeds of this illegal business have a direct link with funding of terror activities within this region. Previously, piracy used to be a major source of funds for terror groups, and since it was dismantled, they have turned to drug trafficking to fund their illegal activities.
Ekwirwa ya tano matanyitwo gukinywo igoti-ini kiumia giukite kuhingurirwo thitango guku maabitha ya DCI mehitite kwa gucoka na thutha hari bara ya kuhukia ciiko cia wendia na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.